Hello, welcome back to the TV room. David Bradley here. So I've been tinkering on this 1541 drive mechanism I have. Right now I'm also waiting for a soldering iron to cool down. And what I might do, because I have down here on the floor a bowl, there, a metal bowl, one that I had cereal in. So I've set that down in there, so it should be fine. So here we have the mechanism. A complex series of things. And then I bring this drive down here. Now, another thing I'm curious about right now is, I'll take a meter. Look, it is a meter, and it has probes. And we're checking for continuity. These two things here should not now have continuity. They should not. If I touch these together, they will. Okay, so. Then we take and we move the charger wire, and we move the jumper wire, and we plug in all the connections. This is the most vital. You got to make sure you get this on the right way. The read-write head. If that's wrong, it's not happening. No matter what you do, it's just not happening. All right, so the big long one goes on the big long spot, and the little one goes on the little one down to the left. Did I get these? All right, what's happened here? Oh, and then this one here is a short, a long, and another, and it's short, long, medium. And now we're connected to the drive mechanism, to the, stop, don't do that. Okay, that is spinning and hitting the table. That's not good. Okay, we don't want that. We don't want that. We do not. So we set this up, and then, once again, now that the thing should be doing its thing, we will look for continuity. And we have continuity. And now we take a disc and we put it in here, but not all the way in. And now we should not have continuity. Haha. And we do not have continuity. But when we put this disc all the way in and close the door, we should now have continuity. What a beautiful thing. You know how many times I've ever had to do this on disk drives? Never. Never before. Oh, sorry. Meter's still on. Okay. So now, I've still got this has been on since yesterday. I'm now going to load the directory. And it's loading. And now it lists the directory, and indeed, it's got the whole bunch of things. I think we're going to load load, quote, I, quote, comma, 8. And it should come in. And it did. And now I'll type in run. And how many? We want this to go one time. And we'll know right quick if this is working or not. Formatting the disk. Now if it comes back, the unit is bombing the burn. But yet, right now, if I turn this on and check, no, I do not have continuity. What's going on here? All right, I'm gonna open the door, pull this out. I know. Just stop it. Stop it. All right, we're going to do this again. We do not have continuity, but yet we should. And we did. We had continuity. So I'll go back to this old trick if I can. Well, that didn't go very well. I've got one of these things clipped on, but it's not really clipped on very well. And now I can't see the other one. All right. Yeah. Nope. Okay, I think that's clipped on. And I thought that was clipped on, but it's not. Okay. Now, I'm afraid to touch these, lest they fly off. Okay, seems we have continuity. Say run. I'm going to say 1. And we're going to hit it. Going to try formatting. And it's fine. So there must be something wrong with the sensor. There must be, or if somebody out there knows something that I don't, well, that would be great. And I'm sure there are people out there that know things that I don't know. I have no doubt. I have no doubt. None at all. But this is weird, because it did have continuity before. So I guess what we have here, I can't sell this. I can't. I could jumper this. I could put a thing across. But there could be a time that if somebody does have a write protect thing on, that something could get lost. And that would not be good. So it's very strange that this is doing what it's doing, how it's doing it. It is. But something is not right here. So, well, I don't see one right handy, but I will go and I will look for another drive that has the neutronics mechanism, and I will take the drive apart and I will take the disk or the mechanism out, and let's see what's what. I mean, I could just solder these wires together and send it on its way, but I can't do that. I can't do it. I just can't do it. So I'm going to let this keep testing. I'm going to go look for another drive. I am. Anyway, I tried. I did try. Anyway, thanks for coming to the TV room. David Bradley here. If you've seen anything that I've done that's remarkably wrong, don't hesitate to tell me. I still wonder, does it make a difference whether I have the green wire on one side and the orange wire on the other side? I don't know. But you know what? There comes a time when you just like, it's a beautiful drive. I'll use it for things for me, and I will go find another one. So that's it. That's all. Until we meet again, have a lovely, lovely day. David Bradley here in the TV room, where I am your host. Bye for now.